Shubor nakaslem jong Nongshong Hima.
Mindri rangba kajala ukonrat sangma ha ka arphunriu trik unailar araja aphunriu ula ai jing penchai halor ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act bad ka jing pentrekam yaki Kyndon jongka ha ka bai dei ba ka jing penkala ya ka Mrssa arhajar arpho ula ong ba ki jing yakren kidang yat kenthop bad umintri kampo yeng u home secretary bad u chief secretary knang ban la ban penyat chaprang ya ka jing penkala ula penpauru ya kajing kermen jong ka Sorkar ba onla banya chaprang sha kajing pentrekam ya kini kajing penkala andala penbet ya kimat ki badangsa ha ka baide ba ka Mrssa arhajar khanriu ka Sorkar kadang trei ban Pynkhlaiñ ya karukom registration ban lat na kajing lut ka babun ban sam laptop kamera bat ban thung shushu iki nong trei hakumba hendriu hajar sanspat li ki Shnong bat ki jaka pat ba ka Sorkar kadang penkre ya ki mobile based system ka basuk ban pendon kam ka bakan thop ya ka jing ithu ekidur khmat ne ka facial recognition technology umintri rangba ulo ong ru baladep ban penlong ya ke registration habun ki jaka bad ha ka ni ladon Bynta lang ki rangba Shnong ha ka juk kapor ka Sorkar kadang trei ban pendap ban penkre ban penya ya ki facilitation center na ka Bynta ka jingwan jungo kai ka ba long ka wei na ki mat ki ba kongsan jong ka Mrssa arhajar khanriu.
I have already given an update on the Mrssa before only. As I said that there are multiple meetings that have taken place, whether it's at Home Minister level or whether it is at the Home Secretary level or whether it is at the level of Home Secretary and the Chief Secretary level. So there are multiple discussions taking place and we are very hopeful that we'll be able to take forward the Mrssa 2020 and get it implemented. So we are still waiting. As I said, there are some more issues to be resolved. But in the meantime, what is important is that the current act that is there, we want to ensure that we implement the current provisions of the current act of 2016. So in that, as you're aware, that we have already worked out in multiple locations and multiple, I've given a report, in fact, yesterday also. Multiple locations we have done the registrations and the Rangba Shnongs and locality headmen, they have been involved. And the expansion of the implementation of this, the Mrssa is happening as we speak. And we are working out, better technology, much more friendly, user-friendly face recognition software and systems which can be accessed on any mobile, which we feel will be further strengthening the implementation and make it very easy for the headmen and locality people to then implement. Otherwise, they'll require a laptop, a camera, a person to type, and a room, and all those things. So by involving the technology that is available, we should be able to overcome those challenges because we have about 6,500 villages and localities all over the state. So it is quite a big challenge if you have to give computers and laptops and human manpower and rooms to everybody. So that's the first thing. Second thing, of course, that the facilitation centers we have already discussed, and we are already moving forward to ensure that the facilitation centers are completed and are activated for the tourist, and that is the second part of the Mrssa, which is a part of the 2016. So these two aspects are things that we are working on, and I'm very sure that we'll be able to move ahead with this very soon.